Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Miles Tech. In today's video, I'm going to be directing my lovely subscribers and those viewers on how to set up 24Clan VPN application on all Android devices. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friends so that you can be supporting this YouTube channel. And don't forget to like the video. If you find interest in our content, please, we beg you, like our video. So guys, let us start. The first step, you're going to open Google Play Store, and then once you open Google Play Store, you're going to search. You're going to go where we search from the search bar, and then we search 24Clan VPN. Download and install this second VPN application. It is that one. Take note of that app icon, take note of that app name, and then take note of the developer. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. We just request you guys subscribe to this YouTube channel to support us so that we can be giving you guys these tutorials for free. Guys, we also have a WhatsApp group. You can join that WhatsApp group. You can check our about section, you get that link. Also guys, we have a backup YouTube channel called Ambassador Data. You can also subscribe to that YouTube channel called Ambassador Data. In our about, you will find these links. So guys, let us open, download. After downloading, install. After installing, open. So this is a disclaimer after opening this application that this tutorial is for research, educational, demonstrational, and information purposes only. Guys, you are requested to follow the local laws and the community guidelines, your internet service provider's terms and conditions before continuing to this application. So after opening this application, the first thing you're going to do, just go right there where I'm pointing, and then look for where you see this word update config, and then after, check that one and wait for a few seconds. It must not fail. Let us restart. Redo. Update. Failed process. Please try again. Alright, let me just continue, but it must not fail for the interest of time. You're going to come where I have auto server, and then you're going to look for any of those servers that is near to your country's location. But I recommend you guys to keep up with the auto server so that this VPN application will be automatically selecting you a working server. Now let us come right here. I have these networks. Then we're going to come right here and then type your country's name or your country's network and name. But I recommend you guys to be using the UDP servers for those for my subscribers, my viewers in those countries without those countries that support UDP. Let us use UDP servers because they are a little bit faster. You're going to check and select this one, the second one, and then once we select that one, we're going to come right here where I have this one, and then connect. Allow the VPN service. It will have been connected successfully. I'm now enjoying a fast, a stable, and a secure connection on my Android device after it being connected. Don't forget to subscribe, support us. So guys, may I sign out? This is just an advert, but in my VPN application, as you see, it has connected successfully.